Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix Payoneer problem, which again look like we have got a problem. Try again. If the problem continues, let us know. So to fix this error, we have to click on let us know. So after here, we have to wait like 1 to 2 seconds. So after that, we have to click on sign in. So this is the method to fix error. Like you have to go to the let us know option, and after that you have to click on this sign in. So your error will be solved. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.